Got a STIHL MS170 saw in the shop today. Yep. Kind of hard to crank when it does that. Let's dig into this side cover and see what we find. Hoping I can just clean it up. Gotta take these bolts off, get this one out of this handle. On this one we gotta take the caps off, the oil and the fuel, before we can get this side cover off. But let's go ahead and start on that. Do our best to get that side cover off. So clean here, get these caps out of the way for a moment. I'm gonna have to fish him out. I like to use a little pair of pliers. Reach down in there and grab that keeper, pull him out. Same thing over here on the oil side. Just pull that cap. You can see I just reach in there and turn that sideways. Pull him out, get him out of the way. Get our good little T27 Torx wrench. Pull these screws out. I ain't bothered to count them. I think we got a total of 4. Look like it's gonna be a one-tool job. Lord have mercy. Got any longer screws available still? That'd be great. I'm gonna use my power equipment one day for this kind of stuff. But right now, we're gonna do it the old way. Spin them out of there. This now, he's a little different than the rest. Lower bar over to the side. Get this one up front. Hurry up, get them caps back on before Rooster spills that oil and gas all over the place. Willie ain't here to clean it up. Heck, he ain't even here to blame for it. That's our lasting right there. Come on, girl. There you go. And get this old handle popped up and out of the way. Y'all like looking at my elbow. Remember the doggone thing being so hard. Gotta take the top off of it. There you go. Spill it on the floor. There I go. I got ahead of myself. Done got YouTube nervous. I'm not a professional on camera, you see. I know that's hard for some of y'all to understand. I carry myself with such charm and grace. There. Now, let's see if we can't pull that off. Yeah, it looks easy, don't it? Let's go and get them oil caps back on there before I end up with it everywhere. I bust this old saw off a while ago when I could get them dogs to bite. They didn't run too bad for old MS170 saw. Alright. Let's set him off to the side. Let's see what we're looking at here. Pull that thing. This is called the pawl. I think it's spelled P-A-W-L. Around here, we call that the dog. And he ain't slinging out. This, when you pull the rope, this is going to come outward and bite into the drives on that saw. Right in here. The dog is going to bite right here. This dog ain't biting. I did blow a little dirt out of here the other day, but I think that was 90% of it, because it catches from time to time, but as you can see, that stuck out. I'd like to clean it up, and it worked properly. I'm gonna pull that. It look like it come out to y'all? I can't tell. Slow it down. All I've done is clean this pawl up. Got all that dirt off of it. It don't look bad. I'm gonna give him another go. I don't see no galls in it. I don't see no scars. We'll put him back in. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and blow out where it was living. Right there inside that recoil. Get that trash out. Set him back in there. We'll take that paw. We're gonna set that booger bear right back in that slot. Don't feel bad. I want to know what it feels like on the other side. Man. Tell you what. I believe we're going with that side. That side feels like a whole lot freer than the side it was on. Yeah, let's move him over here. This side must be wore in too much. Got too much grit down in there. Got our little washer. Now that could be part of our issue too. Get our dog set. Alright, let's see if we can get this doggone clip on. I think in the past I found it easier to hook it on the side. Just pop it down over it. Look at that. I'm going to put that on and see what I got. Look at it. That's what we want to see. There. Barely got to pull it and get it to move out. We found this side rough. MS170 saw only runs one dog, but he got a spot for another one, and I'm sure glad it does, because this man, he getting out cheap today. Look at that. Sweet, barely move that rope. I was snatching on that thing. Let's clean. I'm gonna go clean some of this up in here. I don't like it. I ain't giving it back like that. And we'll get it put back on. I feel confident this will take care of it. Get us a little soaking pan. Get me some spray on here. I don't care what you use. I don't care what you put on here. Clean it up though. Don't leave it nasty for the man. After all, that was part of why it didn't want to run. It was dirty. But it's going to happen. It's been getting used. Bless him, I don't want to use it. We give it a quick cleaning up. Y'all help me bolt this thing up. Give that thing a few pulls and see what's happening in there. I think we got it. we ain't gonna give it a thorough cleaning. My wife don't like for me to put these in the dishwasher. I don't know why. They come out good in there. Rinsed off. That don't look too bad. It ain't all that pretty, it ain't brand new, but it sure is a lot lighter. Let's put it back on there. I don't think anything else needs to be done inside here. Let's go and get this old girl back on. I forgot about them old tricky caps, ain't we? Pull that cap back off there. That and all. Come on, needle nose pliers. Fish it down in here. I'll show you on the other. Alright. You go to pull that up out of there, grab one side of it. Shaped like a little half moon. When it's hanging inside there, it's hanging like this. You just want to turn it, grab a corner and pull it up. Y'all figure it out. Good gracious. Ain't nobody got to hold your hand. You're grown. Y'all figure it out. I figured it out. Lord have mercy. If I can figure it out, all you geniuses out there sure can figure it out. There we go. Yeah. Back down on there, get that handle back on there. Now, let's get these doggone caps back on here. Quit, keep spilling that stuff everywhere. Alright, that's over. Get some screws in that thing. Folks, I appreciate you stopping in and checking us out today. I hope this little repair helps somebody out. Not hard. If you're having trouble with that cord, you don't want to grab anything when you pull it out, go in there and check them dogs. Clean them up. Clean underneath that cover. You might have to relocate that paw or dog to the other side. Sometimes dogs just need pet. Hope it helped you out. Might save you a trip. If you like this video, how about one of them thumbs up? I sure would appreciate one of them subscribes from you. We'll see you soon. Get this doggone saw out of my shop.